Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello guys, so in this block of program you are asked to find the frequency of a particular character coming in a particular string, right? So how we can do that? Let's see through this code. Okay, so first of all, I will this is the basic program, the block of code. So here I will specify a character first. Let's take a variable as string, and here let's take a size of 100,000, let's say. Okay, so now here after this ch, one variable. Now here I will take int count, because that count is why count will count the frequency, how many times the particular character is coming. Right? Now initially let's take this count as 0. Now after this printf, and here I will write enter the string. Okay, enter the string, and then I will take f gets. Okay, and it means what? I'm using get over here, f get, because I am I'm getting the string, right? So after this str, here size of str, here size of str, then here stdin, right? That's what the syntax of fget is. After this I will write printf, here enter the character whose frequency is to be found. Okay, enter the character whose frequency is to be found. Right? Let's take a new line over here. Now this will get stored in my scanf in the C. Let's take here double like this %C. Here I will take ch. That's why we have initialized ch over there initially. Char ch. This is for the character whose frequency I want to find. Okay. Now after this I will initialize a for loop. Let's take int I is equal to 0, because in the complete string it will check, right? Let's take I have p, h and p. Okay, this is my complete string. So this for loop will do what? One by one it will check for every character. The let's say I have taken the characters, that is ch, as p. So now it will check. First character it will check, is it p? Yes. Then count 1. Second character, is it p? No. Then again we will start. Means again it will start the for loop. Again now 3, it is p? No. Now 4th, yes, it is p. So now count is what? 2. So it will tell me that the p letter, p character is coming how many times? 2 times. So therefore, to run the cycle like this, to perform the operation like this, we have used a for loop over there, right? So now here, comma str, that is, let's say I is not equal to 0, is not equal to the ending string, and that ending string is given as like this. In string, the ending string is represented at this. If at all it is not equal to this, then continue the loop. The moment it is coming end, it is ending, it is coming to the end of the string, it will print a character like this. And if at all it is printing a character like this, then I know that my string is ended, and hence my operation should also get end. So therefore here after this I plus plus. Okay, now for loop here, if ch is equal to I am comparing the character with each and every one by one character of that string. Okay, so if at all it is getting equal to, then count plus plus. I just now told you that if at all it is getting equal, then count will get incremented. And now after this printf frequency of %C in the string is. Here I will take again %C. So here I will take CH and then count. Here I will take %D because count is what? Integer, right? Like this. So now that I have written the code, let's check it once. Okay, so here I have given a comma. Here I should give a semicolon, right? Now, let's run this code. Enter the string. Let's say PHN technology. Enter the character whose frequency is to be found. So let's take n over here. So the frequency of n in the string is 2 times. It is right because in PHN it is n1 and here in technology it is n. Let's check again. Let's say again I have taken OOPPH and now let's take sentence as O, character as O. So it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The frequency of O is 4. So this is how you can find the frequency of a particular character in that particular statement or in a particular string. Okay, what I have done here basically, through this fget statement I am getting this string, and then through this for loop one by one I am checking. I am comparing the string, I am comparing the character with the string character. One by one I am checking and then I am counting it. This similar program we have done while calculating the frequency of the number in a particular series of number. We were calculating this frequency of the digit actually, right? There same we have done. Only difference was that was with the numbers and here it is with the character. Okay, so therefore we have used fget, then string, array and so on, right? So this was the complete solution of your program. Hope you have understood it. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.